Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day and a healthy day. And it was a while ago that I did a video on the AquaTru Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System, the countertop version. Well, since then they've come out with a Carafe version countertop system, 4-stage water filtration system, again, reverse osmosis. And so in working with them, I've had the opportunity now to do an open boxing to share with you, and I'll be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section below. It does help the channel if you're interested in checking it out. So today it's gonna be an open boxing. I'm gonna set it up after and just get to use it, and then I'll do an updated video, but I'm looking forward to it, and I've really been very pleased. Now, as far as pricing, you could save $100 on the website currently for the Carafe version and $150 for the other version. So check it out there today. All right, let's go ahead and get this opened up, and looking forward to using this. And this is what I use for all my water, drinking water, my coffee, everything. When I wash my friend's dog, Travis, the little dachshund, that's what he gets. He gets the best. And so there you go. Now, as far as minerals, by the way, I do have my own minerals, but if you are interested, AquaTru does also have the filter that you can use for a mineral boost, if that would be of interest to you. All right, here we go. So let's take a look, and there we go. It's got a whole bunch of information here. It's got this big sheet. Look at that, an owner's manual. Start here get purifying. So install filters, prepare to purify, power up, empty and repeat, wash, dry and refill, and sip sustainably. So there you go. Now, here we go. And there we go. So that is the Carafe system. This is the Carafe. It is, I understand it's glass. Yes, it is. It's probably a special kind of glass. It almost feels like plastic. Purified water pitcher, clean once a week with soap and water. So you got that there. We got the plug. And the app, by the way, is great because it does tell you how your filters are doing, and I believe you should be able to connect. I'm not sure actually with this, if this one connects with the app, but as I learn to use this one and I do the updated video, we shall see. But here we go. So this is the system, and what's great, which I think I will have room right next to the other one. I think I'll have room for both there, or I might actually put it on the other side. We'll see. Whoop. And let's just take a peek. So that would look pretty good side by side. And I look forward to talking about both. And then we got to throw this away. So let's see, the filters, I think they probably are, let me see, are they on the bottom? They might be. I think, oh, they're in here. Let's see here. So behind here are the filters. So this must, I would gather that stays on, but we'll see. So these are smaller filters, as you can see. So this is a 4-step system. So we got the reverse osmosis filter, the VOC carbon, and the pre-carbon filter. So everything is right there, and it looks like this is how it goes. And so I'm gonna have to read up and make sure that I am setting this up properly. So that is the box. Let me get this out of the way. We got the charger, and this looks like a nice looking system. I just want to make sure that I am going to use it right. And let's see here. Let me see if there's anything else that I could show you while here. You got all your, on top here, you've got all your functions up here, and this is the unit. So it's not too big of a unit. Again, it won't take up a whole lot of space. You got the Carafe that will go right underneath there. And then you could just pull that out, put it in the refrigerator, and then refill as a need basis. So I will be back to give you an update once I get everything set up. And if you have any questions, let me know. But in the meantime, do check it out on the website and see the specials again. $100 off for the carafe and $150 off for the other system. And they both will serve different purposes. So we'll see you on the next one. Happy holidays. Take care.